Hi, this is Tim with EMS. This is our LAM3 Lichen, Algae, Moss, Mold, and Mildew Stain Remover. It can be used as a spray, brush, and rinse, or a spray and walk away cleaner. The product is safe to use on any surface. It can be used for industrial or consumers to remove any of these stains from any of these materials. Unlike the other products that are in the market, LAM is powered by our Syntec and our caustic replacement, so there's no acid, quat, bleach, or peroxides in our product, whereas the other products are powered by dangerous and marked as such chemicals that can only not harm the user but also potentially the equipment you're cleaning or your grass, plants, or pets. Of course, EMS products contain no pictograms and are 000 HMIS scored. So here you're watching the application of LAM3, which is diluted with 5 parts water and 1 part of LAM3. And a leading brand here being applied again to the same paver, basic application similar to that of the other products that are out there. So after 2 weeks you can see a good response from both products. 6 weeks, and even 12 weeks later, both sections are clear and free of the mold, mildew, and soils that were there before. So they last a long time, they work well, just that one is much safer than the other. You can use it on siding as well. Here's what's happening with LAM3 in just 3 minutes with algae. It can also be brushed and rinsed off. So you can spray, let it sit, and then come back with a pressure washer if you don't want to brush. Again, the effluent, the rinse water can go around. It can't hurt plants or shrubs or grass. So now you have an easy way to spray any area. Plants are okay, the railings are okay. It's not going to hurt the grass. So there are a lot of products out there, and while most of them work about the same, one is 000 HMIS scored, non-toxic, non-hazardous to you, your plants, your animals, or to the environment. So again, simply spray LAM3 anywhere where you have discoloration, and just in a few weeks you'll see a marked improvement. Of course, you can just spray the product after dilution, wait 10 minutes, and scrub or hit with a pressure washer to get an immediate effect. LAM3 lets you spray and walk away or brush and get immediate results.